where is hyperlink in Microsoft Outlook? Hyperlink, when you add a hyperlink in a specific text or a specific phrase and send the email to your recipient, that recipient will easily click on that hyperlink and will be redirected to your file or URL. So before doing that, you have to add the hyperlink on the specific text. So if I want to add the hyperlink on this word, I have to simply select the word from my mouse left button, or you can also use your keyboard using Ctrl, Shift and arrow keys. Once you have selected the word, you simply have to click on the message tab. Under include section, there is an option link. When you click on it, you will see the recent link. If you have already used this option, you will get a list of recent items. You can select any one of it if you want it, or you can simply hit on this insert link. Now here, insert hyperlink dialog box appears. Now in the address bar, you have to simply copy and paste your link you want to add. For instance, I want to paste this URL, mailsmartly.com. Simply hit OK and see your specific word change its color to blue and also added an underline underneath. And you can also, when hover the mouse over here, you will see a URL. This is first way where you can add a hyperlink. And the second method is, again, click on the word, click mouse right button, and from the last option you will get the link. When you click here, again insert hyperlink dialog box appears. You can repeat the process again, insert the URL in the address bar and hit OK. You can also use keyboard shortcut, which is select the word first and simply hit Ctrl+K. That will also open the insert hyperlink dialog box. Insert the URL, hit OK. If you have learned something from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.